Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna talk about Fusebase. I'll check out tool and give you my opinion and review on it. Let's see what Fusebase has to offer. So Fusebase is an AI-powered workspace where you can build smart workspaces. Here you have AI agents and you can build white-label client portals. These are all the given things that you can do with AI agent. It's gonna work both in internal and external workspaces. It will give you real answers from your content, automates work. Then you can choose from their pre-built AI agents, or you can build your own custom AI agent by giving your prompt and the niche you're working in. So in Fusebase, you will get internal and external workspaces. So basically an internal workspace is like a digital office for your team. So everything you need is in one place. So you don't have to keep switching between different apps. You get things like a sales portal, process portal, a central hub where all the information lives. There's also an internal knowledge base to store important stuff and real-time collaboration, so everyone can work together instantly, and obviously secure file storage to keep your files safe. On top of that, you can record meetings, get automatic transcripts, take notes with proper context, and find things super quickly with fast search. Plus, it lets you easily share files with clients and even connect with other tools you already use. And they also got external workspace. So that is basically where you and your clients work together. So you get custom branded client portals, partner and or vendor portals, and even an external knowledge base. So there's also a drag and drop page builder. So setting things up is super easy, and we will check that out later in this video. It comes with helpful tools like mutual action plans, task list, a built-in CRM, e-signature forms and surveys. Then you can do live chat with clients. Then you get client analytics, a white label obviously. So everything looks fully branded as yours. So now let's see what they have for security and integration. It says enterprise grade security, so it must use strong level protection to keep your data safe. So they have SSO, which is like single sign-on. So basically it's just you can log in into Fusebase using one account. Then they have two-factor authentication, which is very basic, and encryption. So before signing in and seeing what's inside, we'll see the pricing of Fusebase. We'll see the pricing in detail later in this video, but for now let's see. So the one code starts at $79 and goes all the way up to $790 for 10 codes. So all the features mostly like white labeling, HIPAA, SOC2, all this unlocks at 5 codes. So let's log in. So this is how the dashboard looks. On the left hand side you have your own workspace. So this is the default one, and I can create a new workspace from this create button right here. If I create a new workspace, that will be isolated from this other one, so things inside one workspace aren't visible in other workspaces. So next to that, there are portals that you have created. We will also create one later in this video. You can also see how many members and clients you have. You can invite a member directly from here. Just assign the role, enter the email, and choose the workspace you want them to join. Then choose what they can do, like read only, edit, etc. Now let's go inside the default workspace. Here there are two separate sections. You can see internal and client portal, which is external. So the internal space is where you need to log in to see files you have uploaded, your pages, the tasks you have assigned, the folders. The client portal is like a website, so you can set it to public, shared with someone, or even password protected. In the internal space, you can create a new page, or you can just choose from a pre-made template. I'll pick a template for now. There are hundreds of different templates you can see organized into categories. Like there's coaching, consulting, designer, entrepreneur, ID, and so much more. For now, I'll go with the marketing template. Let's go with marketing strategy. I can read the description here and see if this is the one I'm trying to find. You can change and edit it anytime. To use it, just click on use template, select workspace you want this to be in, and hit save. Here's how this template looks. It has an outline at the top, so everything organized properly. Like there is main, plan of action, and then target market, metrics for success, budget, deliverables. You can edit all these headings and the information given here according to your needs, like main, driver, approver. You can change all of this. I can change the status. I can write the plan of action over here. In metrics for success, I can change all of this as I like. I can add more columns, make it bigger or smaller. I can edit individual columns, and I can do the same with cells, like change the background color, copy, cell type. and so on. Here are deliverables. I can change the status from not started to started, pending, or finished. So yeah, there's a lot of templates available that you can choose from. From here, I can add this to a portal or share it. For sharing, I can either share the link or the embed code. You can also change its size, and you can even set a password from the sharing settings. There's also a download option. You can download it in HTML or PDF format. Now I can start writing here and add more content to this page. There are so many options available that I can add. Like at first you see Fusebase AI. I will check that out later. Then checklist, and there is number list, and there is bullet list, and I can add table, I can add image, I can attach a file, a new page, and then there is whole lot of items that I can choose from. Like there is like toggle block, line, file, outline, code. I can add a Kanban taskboard. There's so much things I can do. So on the left hand side, if you click on these three dots, you can add comments, block, convert to checklist, number list, large heading, medium heading. From here I can change the background color, you can copy the block, delete the block. To add more things, just type / and this menu will pop up. Then I can add a Kanban board. Let's add one. I can add more tasks by clicking on the plus icon. I click on the plus icon and this menu pops up, the sidebar. I can give it a description, created by, and select a date, assign it, label it, attach something over here, and then add a comment. There are more things in the / menu like Fusebase AI. I can also add a file uploader. Anyone coming to this page can upload their files. Just make sure to get a higher storage plan if you are dealing with a lot of files. Then there's audio and video recording options on all the basic things like heading, file, link, outline, etc. You can do all this. Any files you upload here will show under files. So if I upload something from my PC, it will show up here on files. Then all the tasks will be shown under task. Like if I added any task on the Kanban board, it will show up here on task. So now you can add tags, and all the tags you have added will show up here under tags. For this page, let's add a tag and call it new. So now it's added here in tags, you can see. Now anything I put under new will show up here, and you can create multiple different tags too. The page we are working on is in the folder called unsorted. You can rename, delete, and add more folders. You can drag this page to any other folder just like this. Now let's move on to the client portal, your own mini website that visitors can see. Click on this plus icon to create a new portal. The number of portals you can create will depend on your plans, so choose your plan accordingly. So I will talk about the plans later in this video. First, you have to give your portal a name, test portal, and then let's just click on next step. On this page, you can choose from various available themes. On the right side, you can see how it will look. I think I'll go with ultramarine. So just click on finish and create space. It took me around 10 seconds to create this portal. Here we are in the builder mode of this portal. From here we can customize our portal the way we like. Here you will have analytics to see how many people have visited this portal. You can change the date from here and also change event type, user viewed page, user entered block edit mode, user exited block edit mode, uploaded file, user downloaded file. So all these are event types that you can change. With this info, you can figure out what's working and what's not. You can follow this data to grow your portal or improve the user experience. There are 3 sections here. Sidebar content, which is this one. Top bar, this one, which currently has files, chat, and task dashboard. And footer content, that's down below. It's just like how you build a website using a website builder. In the footer, we currently have nothing yet, just the website link. And the top, they have builder mode, which we are currently in. Focus mode to hide distracting items. And there's also preview mode to check how others will see this portal. So you can click on the gear icon on any bar to change its appearance. Like the header type, you can change this logo, you can change the size. Then you can toggle on and off the search button. I think search button should be there. It will help people to search up things quickly. Then member menu, you can add or update panel. You can change the background color. I can add more pages, structures, and dashboard in the sidebar from this plus icon. Here's the file option where people can upload their file. In the chat dashboard, if I open that up, you can chat here with other members and even create different channels. There are homepage setting on the right hand side where you can easily change the name of this page and blocks, add blocks and change the position. If I want to edit an individual block like to-do list, I just click on this gear icon and opens up all the settings I can change. Same thing goes for the top bar. You can add more pages by clicking the plus icon and edit it the way you want. Below you will find the settings for this portal. At first we get portal style. Currently it looks like this, but if you want to change the appearance, you can do it anytime from here. You can choose from the available themes and further customize them by clicking on this pencil icon. I can change the general colors, header and hero. So there are so many options that I can change here. Then header logo, I can change the size of header height, hero height. With all these settings, you can easily customize and give your portal a unique look just the way you want. From the general settings, you can edit your visual identity, like change your site icon, portal logo and branding. You can add your site icon from this add image button right here. Then you can update your meta settings like your site title and site description. You can also update your client login setting from here. You have the option to manage who can access the portal editor. If you don't want guests to access the portal editor, just untick the checkbox here. You can also change the client role settings from here, like what things you want and don't want your clients to do. And finally, to add custom code for extra features or custom styling, you will need a higher plan that supports that. We'll talk about pricing later in this video. Alright, now let's talk about one of the main highlights of Fusebase, the AI agents. You will find them right here, and as you can see, there are a lot of different AI agents for different tasks. Like the first one is AI chat, where you can ask any questions. And then this AI agent will actually browse the web and give you up-to-date results, and that's pretty cool. If you want to rewrite your text, you can use this AI rewriter. You can even build charts with real-time data from LinkedIn competitor releases. You can get all the latest update about your competitors' product launches, and you can also summarize any of your long texts. Perfect if you want to save some time. And then there's even this honesty GPT that actually likes your research assistants, if I say, helping you with fact checking and verifying sources for your questions. And then company profile builder, document translator, blog post for your product, data extractor, and then there's Google ad. You can generate a Google ad description and headline with this AI agent. How to guide builder, LinkedIn contact finder. Now if you want to create your own custom AI agent, you can do that too. Just head over to the top right corner and click on add new. You can create a form-based agent or an instant agent. Give it a name, select multiple categories, and write a description. You can even write your own prompt. Make sure to turn on use web search. And at the end, you can select your preferred LLM model from the available options. And in sources, you can add your folder, pay, and pages. This helps AI understand your workspace better and give more accurate responses. When you click on add new, it opens this sidebar. From here you can select different workspaces and choose your folder from either your internal space or your portal. You can even connect third-party MCPs from here, whether it's SSE, streamable HTTP, or any other integrations. It also connects to various apps you already use. If you want to change who can see this AI agent, you can set its visibility right here. Choose from only me, all members, clients. You can also share or embed this AI agent either as a search bar or an iframe. Now Fusebase has actually integrated AI everywhere to make your work faster and easier. For example, if you go back to the page we created earlier, you can use AI directly on the page. Just click on Fusebase AI right here and make sure to turn on use page context. AI will use the info already on your page to generate more deleted and accurate content. Let's try something. I will tell AI to write a social media post. At the bottom, you can choose the tone of voice you want. For now, I'll just hit enter, and boom, here's our social media post. You can even tweak it, like ask the AI to make it shorter, longer, or continue writing. I'll make it a bit longer. All right, let's see. This looks perfect, I guess. So yeah, you can use AI in Fusebase in so many ways. Also, down at the bottom right corner, you'll see the small AI assistance icon. You can tell it to summarize page content, and don't worry, it won't change the page. So if you want to add the summary onto the page, you can just click on add to page and it will appear right there on your page. And on the top right corner there is another option, work with AI. Here you can either ask AI directly or use your existing AI agents. Let's try one. I will go with this Google Ad Agent. It opens up in the sidebar. So the product name, let's say gaming headset. Obviously this would be your actual brand name, but for example I'm using gaming headset. And now I'll add a few keywords. I'll even link to a random headset from the internet. Done. Let's wait for it and see what it comes up with. Alright, nice. It gave us different ad set variants, each targeting different keywords. Now let's talk about the most important part, pricing. So Fusebase is currently available as a lifetime deal on AppSumo, and it starts from 1 code all the way up to 10 codes. So basically each higher plan gives you more users, more storage, more AI features and more automation power. So let's break it down. 1 to 2 codes good for freelancer, solo creator, or anyone who just wants to test out Fusebase before going big. 3 to 4 codes perfect for a small team or agency with few clients. You'll get a solid setup for teamwork. And when you move up to 5 to 8 codes, that's where the pro level features start unlocking. You get like white labeling, which means you can add your own branding, great for professional value, brand image, and better client experience, I guess. You also get SOC2. So that's the security certification that shows Fusebase handles your data safely and follows strict privacy rules, so your clients can feel more confident knowing the data is secure. And honestly, many big companies require SOC2 before they will even work with the software tool. And then there is HIPAA, so which also unlocks at code 5. So if I talk about 5 to 8 codes, you'll get around 14 to 19 users, and then the storage is like 500 to 700 GB. And advanced features like AI document indexing and code execution in agents will unlock. And finally, the top tier plan is 9 to 10 codes. It's a bit expensive, but it gives you around 22 to 50 users. And at 10 codes, you get unlimited workspaces, unlimited client accounts, and huge 2 TB storage. You also get unlimited AI agents and extra AI credits every month. And remember, this is a lifetime deal, so you pay once and that's it. You can check out the AppSumo deal for Fusebase. The link is given right in the description below. Alright, that's it for the video. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. I'll bring more AI tool reviews, tutorials, and walkthrough just like this one. And see you in the next video. Peace.